été créé en 99 par Raymond Barre et il y a un écosystème qui fait qu'on retrouve justement à Lyon des acteurs académiques, industriels, politiques et une société civile qui est intéressée, qui donc intéresse plus large au niveau français et au niveau européen, etc. etc. C'est un lieu de rencontre et d'action. La mission, c'est de se faire rencontrer académiques, sociétés civiles, sociétés privées et les décideurs politiques pour essayer de voir ce que va être l'innovation demain, ensemble.
Nous sommes partenaires de Biovision. Cette année, nous co-organisons 2 événements. Le Biovision Catalyzer pour favoriser les projets d'innovation, les initiatives collaboratives, et d'autre part sur Biovision Investor Conference pour aider les entreprises à rechercher des financements privés. Et puis également, nous sommes présents au village Lyon Biopôle, au cœur de Biovision, tous rassemblés, acteurs privés publics, sous la bannière Lyon Biopôle.
Well, the Catalyzer session is, I think, a great change, a very positive change to get interactive sessions that are some of the partnering sessions where people from different backgrounds come together in the session that we are in for instance, from public health point of view, from, again, the academics who do the field research, from the industry, the venture capital. So it brings these together to expose projects that should be supported to go to the next step.
It kind of brings some clarity to the mission of what the company or the initiative is trying to do. So I thought the Catalyzer and the Investor Conference were really great parts of BioVision, and I would love to come back and see what happens in 2 years.
Science is great, but unless you've got capital, nothing is really going to happen. And I think the real value of what we're doing here is that we can take science, we can do research, but the most important is that we convert that into job creation and company creation. The problem is that if you have a scientific idea, it's not always easy to find funding for that. So this is an opportunity for people with ideas to come together with people who have capital. And so I think, for instance, the investor initiative is great.
Biovision Next, en fait, c'est un programme de distribution de bourses à des étudiants du monde entier pour leur permettre de venir assister au forum. Et donc, chaque année, c'est entre 60 et 100 étudiants environ qui viennent assister au forum, et de plus de 51 nationalités différentes.
I think the most exciting part of the BioVision is the opportunity to meet a lot of young people. And I think it's a great idea of having a coffee with the students. And plus, I think the students, and especially the participants, have been very responsive. Life science depends on them, and our life depends on the young people who will make a difference for the future.
We have contact with the president and the directors of the University of Lyon.
And we are quite keen to understand more the relationship between academia and the private sector.
We learn from the environmental that we see here in this meeting, all the exposition, the speakers are high quality speakers, and I believe if we can apply this in Brazil, it will be nice.
The best outcome for a meeting like this is that you have a lot of people saying, I never thought about that. You really don't know what the impact of this kind of meeting is. People take home some ideas, some of them will just put them away, but then some of them will actually push on them. And I think that's really what we're hoping for.
And I'm here because this is one of the major conferences which takes life science knowledge and looks at how it can make impact for the citizens. So an area I'm very interested in.
Biovision, ce qui est vraiment intéressant, c'est le fait que ça casse le cloisonnement et que ça offre une multidisciplinarité qui est vraiment intéressante. Pour les scientifiques comme moi, ça me change des congrès vraiment spécifiques, fondamentaux, sans interaction avec les autres domaines.
Je suis venu ici avec l'espoir d'apprendre beaucoup de choses et de pouvoir poser des questions aux collègues après leurs exposés et dans les discussions. Donc de me former, d'apprendre des choses qui sont différentes de ce que je sais.
You are there, you talk, and you don't know how it will help the company.
Yeah.
But if one of those things which was mentioned or discussed leads to a product, they have made their day.
Fascinating, and especially the plenary sessions with the moderators, the way that they've connected the topics in the literature that have been presented has made for some of the best discussions I've heard in a really long time.
C'est un événement important parce que je crois qu'il est le symbole de la volonté politique de la ville de Lyon et de la région de jouer la carte des biotechnologies et de la biologie.
I think it's a good place to meet people, network, and also I think to learn about up-and-coming ideas in our area.
It's important to break down boundaries within science and with the connections with healthcare more generally and costs as well, to talk to payers. So I think more efforts to bring those sorts of different sectors together in the benefit of improved innovation have to be encouraged.
If I have to summarize BioVision in one word, I would say shape the future together.
Networking, transdisciplinary research.
Communication.
Unique.
Partenariat.
Vision.
Rencontre.
Collaboration.
Colourful.
Connectivity. Fascinant.
Inspiring.
Innovation.
I will come back.